Hello from HealthSpring, and welcome to Benefit Tips with Dr. T. I'm Dr. Grant Tarbox, here with a few tips to help you make the most of your yearly checkup. Having a primary care doctor who knows your history and understands your goals is the start of a true health partnership. So it's important to talk openly and honestly about your health and any concerns you have. Here's a tip. Write it down ahead of time to give to your doctor. Need a friend or family member to support you? Bring them along. Questions about lab work, test results, or scheduling your next visit? Just ask. And whether your appointment is in person, over the phone, or by video, have a list of questions and take notes to remember what's important. Here's an important tip. Always tell your doctor about any recent health concerns like falling or trouble staying on your feet, feeling sad or lonely, sleeplessness, bladder problems, trouble completing everyday routines, and any medication concerns. Your primary care doctor works with you to support your journey toward health and vitality. We're with you every step. And check out the rest of our benefit videos for more healthy tips.